Nearly 40 years in, Vulcan continues to deliver industry-leading functionality for its 20,000 users. The latest version features a raft of new tools and enhancements for geologists and engineers, on top of performance and usability improvements. Users can now load samples directly into Vulcan by dragging and dropping. Build more accurate stratigraphic models within smaller domains using a new approach combining block and angled throw faulting. Updates for ROM aggregation routines save considerable time. Enhanced coal washability helps users optimise on product. A new dedicated menu enables new setup and operation and new ways to interact with data. There's new options for geostatistical analysis, such as global kriging and multi-Gaussian tools. And the drill hole assistant allows direct editing of drill hole survey information. Triangulations can be expanded by distance to interrogate exclusion zones and areas of influence for risk assessment. Apply multiple surfaces or solids for automatic updating of topography surfaces and pit shells. Interactive Block Planner simplifies the workflow for scheduling, short and mid-term planning. Automate attributed solids such as tonnage and grade and work with multiple pits in mining block generation. A new compliance tool allows mine planners to quickly produce end-of-period reconciliation reports with minimal post-processing. And there's updates to Gantt Scheduler and underground design tools. New import-export options include file formats for interacting with Google Earth and to support 3D printing. Users will notice significant speed improvement when selecting objects in design databases, and the Python macro functionality builds on existing Lava options. Launched in conjunction with Workbench 3, Vulcan 12 heralds the introduction of Maptek account for streamlined, secure licensing, software deployment and communication. Support requests can be made directly from the Workbench. Find out more about what's new in Vulcan at maptek.com or by contacting your local Maptek office.